Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Science 1 in which we are discussing the very interesting chapter called Refraction of Light. I repeat the name again, it's called Refraction of Light. आपने reflection पढ़ा है, ये उससे थोड़ा अलग है. This is called Refraction of Light. What are we studying in this chapter? We will first try to understand what is refraction. Then we will study a very important concept of refractive index, which will help us understand the laws of refraction. Then we will understand why do the stars twinkle at all, and then we will understand a process called dispersion of light, from which we will understand the process called partial and total internal reflection, and in the end we will understand how rainbow is a combination of all this that we will study in the initial part of the chapter. So let's quickly move ahead to see what are we learning today. You can pause and start writing. Today we are learning objective 3.1. We will be able to describe the process of refraction of light by using real life examples. So कुछ real life examples देखेंगे और उससे समझेंगे कि refraction होता क्या है. Before we move ahead to understand that, let's observe something. Let's see this experiment. अगर आप एक straight pipe लेते हैं and you observe a candle, you will be able to see the candle, right? But what happens if I take a bent pipe? मैंने एक टेढ़ा पाइप लिया. Will you be able to see the candle? The answer is no. You will not be able to see the candle because the light which is coming from the candle is going straight. It cannot take a turn, which means light cannot bend. This leads us to the conclusion that light travels in straight line. Light will always travel in a straight line. It does not bend, and this is what the experiment proves. But the question that we are asking ourselves over here is this always true? Will the light never bend? That is the question that we are asking ourselves. To understand this better, let's see a video. What we are doing is we have two glasses and we have some water kept over here and we have two pencils. What we are doing is we are putting the pencil in a glass and doing the same thing for the other. You can actually do this experiment at home also. आप घर पे ये करके देख सकते हो. आपको पेंसिल सीधी दिखाई दे रही है. Now I start pouring water in one of the glasses. Okay, let's see what is happening. After a point of time, what you can see is इस point पे आपकी पेंसिल आपको इससे लगेगा कि टूट गई है. It seems as if the pencil is broken at this point of. You can see यहाँ पे पेंसिल सीधी दिख रही है, यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे पेंसिल टूट गई है. ये टूटी क्यों है? Let's understand this back over here. So we have seen that the pencil appeared bent. Why was that happening? Light is coming first from air. Air is a transparent medium. Air से travel करने के बाद में light गया water के अंदर. Water is also a transparent medium. Ideally होना क्या चाहिए था? Light ऊपर से आ रहा है and it should have gone straight. This is what we have learned that light travels straight. तो उसको सीधा जाना चाहिए था, but वो सीधा नहीं गया. Light थोड़ा bent हो गया. This bending of light that happened because of the change in direction when light was traveling from one transparent medium to the another transparent medium is called refraction of light. इसका मतलब क्या है? You can actually pause and write down the definition also. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब भी लाइट एक ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम से दूसरे ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम में जाते हैं. मीडियम मतलब क्या? सराउंडिंग. ऊपर खाली ग्लास में सराउंडिंग क्या है? एयर. यहाँ पे सराउंडिंग क्या है? वाटर. पर एयर और वाटर सेम तो नहीं है, ये दोनों अलग अलग मीडियम है. जैसे ही एयर एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जाएगा, इट विल बेंड. This bending of light or the change in direction of light when going from one transparent medium to the another is called refraction of light. Refraction of light can also be called bending of light. This was all about refraction that we had to know. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice day.